Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today I'm spending some time here at Americana Water Park and Resort. It's an excellent place and I'm gonna give you a tour of this place. So it's in Niagara Falls at 8444 Laundries Lane. It's a very perfect place, and in this area you see a lot of hotels, motels. Like just in front of me there is a hotel. In front of you here, if you see, let me zoom in, you will see all here motels. If you go this line here, also motels. There are some shopping plazas too, and just at this intersection where I'm pointing finger, you have two gas stations. And if you go take right from here, you're gonna have fresh another. Now another thing that makes this place very positive, see, I'm just in front of a Gurudwara, Sikh temple here. You see Nishan Sahib, Sikh temple. Yeah, so a lot of positive vibes are coming over here, no doubt, of course. All right, so I'm gonna give you a tour of this place. So first of all, when you come here, this place is famous for its water park. I'll try to give you a tour of that also, and I already enjoyed for today, and tomorrow again I'm gonna enjoy. So their check-in time is at 4 p.m. and check-out is at 11. Okay, now this is the main entrance that you see. Here you are not supposed to unload your luggage. Okay, see, they have given the warning here, please do not unload luggage. Okay, so that's not the place to unload your luggage. So what you can do, like, you can park somewhere here, and there's also one parking. I'll show you. You can park there and you can come and check in, get the keys, location, everything. Then based on the location of your room, they will direct you where to go. If you go this side and take turn there, okay, there'll be like too much of parking. Okay, too much of parking. There's no shortage of parking. Okay, and you will be able to see everything. They will tell you which entrance you can use to go to the room, to go to your room easily. Okay, now inside the hotel itself, inside the campus, we have this Boston pizza. So if you are like a pizza guy, you can, there's one Kochi, probably South Indian restaurant. See, they have additional parking, so you can park here also in case you don't get at front. Okay, while you are checking. And from here also you can go, and they're like multiple entrances here that you can use to get into the hotel. All right, so that is definitely a benefit, an advantage. Now I'm gonna give you a tour of the inside. Okay, so just bear with me. Okay, so here you are not supposed to unload any luggage. There is no incline also. When you come here, there's a straight away reception, and here you have a coffee parlor and vending machine. Vending machines are everywhere here, but yeah, these are not free, you gotta pay. This is a big Boston Pizza hotel restaurant, and there are other restaurants too. You have restroom, lift lobby level also. Bistro, gathering play, guest rooms. Okay, fine. Now let me take, so they have a very famous spa here, and if you are a guest here, you are gonna get discount. Okay, so this is like exit 5, they tell you. So let me show you one exit, at least I can show you, in fact more than that. Okay, so with that you can see that there are multiple exits. One is there, and there are more too. So they will tell you at the time of check-in itself that where you can park. The location is excellent, as you can see. Like if you are staying here, you have the direct access to the direct view to the road. Okay, and this is called their conference center. I will not go over there. Behind this is a park. I will take you over there also. Just bear with me, because it's like just 2 floors at most of the places, and somewhere 3. So it's very accessible. Okay, no problem at all. So we have reached behind the building. Okay, so as you can see, it's a very excellent place. I mean, you can enjoy here with friends. That's the water park. You see that building? That's the water park. Okay, and they are open, I think, yeah, morning 10 to 9. So if you come here, let's say you check in at 4, you can enjoy till 9 p.m. and next day, although you have to vacate your room by 11, still you can use water park facilities till 2 p.m. Okay, so that has additional time. There's a basketball court, kids playing area, and just before the water park, you see my finger here. Yeah, like you can go from here also, but there's a way from inside. If you go from there, there are like casinos too, not casino, like electronic gaming, gaming machines too. So this is an excellent place. If you have a room somewhere here, you can have this good view. And if you coming here in outdoor season like summer, you can definitely sit here and have food and picnic kind of environment. So that's really good. Now I'm gonna give you some tour from inside. Okay. At many places they have vending machines and they have coin laundry too. Okay, so this is the indoor water park entrance. Here you have electronic games too that you can watch. You need to buy tokens, and then you need to you can play, and you can exchange your tickets at the end to get some prize too. I won't do much filming in the indoor water park because it's like they don't want to get filmed in while they are in swimming attire, right? So I'll consider that. And you have like snacks bar here. Of course you gotta pay, so I will not film over there, but yeah, you can get a view from here. Water park is here. They have like good rides, excellent, like tube rides. And the good thing is at every at every ride there are multiple lifeguards, so there's nothing to worry. And there's also like they are providing life jackets, but it's always good to carry your own. Like when I came, I carried my own, so that's really good. They have conference center also loving too. I'll try to cover that for you. So now I'm trying to go towards the conference room. It's closed, and maybe it may require a reservation that I don't have, so I cannot show you that. Yeah, and I like their service. Like one glass container was broken in my room, and I called, and immediately they sent someone to clean it. Now here we are at the main lobby again. They have washrooms here, and there's okay, there's some activity going on. So this looks like a private activity, so I won't go any further. So definitely, so you got a tour. Okay, let me okay, but before I close up, so I booked a room with two queen size bed. I'll try to give you a tour of the room in a separate video. And there, like I could I'll give you the tour. Okay, now the bill came as $251. Okay, one thing you need to know that for parking you got to pay extra. So for per night they have taken like $25 plus taxes, and also when you check in, you have to pay $200 as security deposit. That will be returned to you after you check out. Of course, like if you don't do any damage, which I think I might be charged because one broken glass in the room. Hopefully not, we'll see tomorrow. So yeah, and with that it looks good. Yeah, so as I was telling you that $25 you need to pay. But I just paid $25 plus taxes. I did not pay any stay fee because it was purchased using the credit card points. I have a travel credit card, so using its points I could do the reservation, and nothing was charged at me. So that's it, guys. So they have almost everything. Like the most enjoyable part here is the water park, and that's included in the room fee. Of course, like it depends upon the room. Also the package I took, it was included, so I really like that because it was included, so there was nothing for me to worry about. And yeah, and this place I like there's a Gurudwara just in front here, and some Indian restaurants are also there. Of course, I'm not gonna go to any Indian restaurant. I have too much food in my room I have purchased, so I'm gonna just have fun. Okay, and yeah, for casino I showed you, but yeah, I'll not take you to the pool because of the privacy, because I really don't want, like, everyone's privacy matters. So definitely, if a lot of people are there in swimming attire, I don't want to show you any video of that place. So that is what I want to tell you guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Anything comes in your mind, feel free to write. And yeah, this is an excellent place, very serene place. And now I'm going to go to room and I'm gonna have some fun. Thanks for watching.